So our topic is all about the probability of combined events by listing and diagram. So last meeting, so our topic is all about the single event. When we say single event, our keyword is one action or one experiment. Okay, example of single event, we have tossing one coin. We have also rolling one die, choosing one card, and picking one marbles. So today, our topic is, this is the continuation anak of probability, but this time, combined events na po tayo. So pag sinabi natin anak combined events, okay, so a combined event happens when an experiment involves two or more. Okay, take note ha, two or more simple actions, either when we do something more than once, or just simply, when we say combined event, two actions po ito. So dalawang action sa isang trial. Okay, dalawang experiment sa isang trial. Okay, happen together. Example is, tossing two coins. So, magtotoss tayo ng two coins. Pwede rin tossing two coins and rolling a die. That is a combined event. Another, we have rolling two dice. We have also choosing a shirt and pants. And also, we have picking two balls from a box, one after the other. So, take note, everyone, that in higher grade levels, so may encounter nyo to kapag kayo ay grade 9 or 10. Okay, this will be formally introduced as a compound event. Okay, which focuses on events containing multiple outcomes. So for now, we still use the term combined events to emphasize experiments with multiple steps. Okay, this lesson, our focus is not on a single event with many outcomes. So our focus is on experiment that have many steps. Okay, so that is why we need to use listing and diagram. Familiar ba kayo anak sa tinatawag na systematic listing? Ito ay ginagamit sa sets. Ano pa? Tree diagram. Pwede ring tabular method at marami pang iba. So this time ang gagamitin natin, pwede tayo anak mag-systematic listing or tree diagram. Pwede rin pong gamitin si tabular method. Okay, example, tossing two coins. Okay, so first we need to use the systematic listing. So when we toss two coins ng sabay, o isipin natin, theoretical probability. So without doing the experiment, when you toss two coins twice, or when you toss two coins, what do you think will be the possible outcome? Pwedeng head and, okay, pwedeng head and tail. Pwede rin head and head. Pwede rin head and tail. Pwede rin po tail and head at tail and tail. So those are the possible outcomes. So after getting the possible outcomes, our next step is to get the sample space. So what is a sample space? Capital letter, S, use braces or bracket. Then sulat mo lahat ng possible outcomes. So that is listing method. So another one is we can also use the tree diagram. Pag ginamit naman natin anak si tree diagram, first analyze natin. When you toss one coin, what are the possible outcome? Head and tail. So one coin pa lang yan. So dahil ilang coins ang itotoss natin? 2. So meaning dalawang head and tail ang susulat mo. Then after that, pag sinabi natin tree diagram, gagamit tayo ng mga branches, mga sanga-sanga. Ito po yun. Okay, then turo-turo. So first, head, head. Ito yung first outcome. Followed by head, tail. Followed by tail, head. And followed by tail, tail. So ito po yun. Then, same pa rin ang magiging outcome dito sa ating listing method. Do you understand po? So pwede rin natin gamitan anak yan ng tabular method. Paano naman po ginagamit yung tabular method? So gagamit tayo dito anak ng table. Okay, dito sa table, meron tayong vertical at meron din tayong horizontal. Okay, sa vertical, isusulat mo yung unang experiment, yung possible outcome. When you toss one coin, what are the possible outcome? And then, tail. Dito mo na isusulat yung anak sa pangalawa. And then, dahil two coins yan, dalawang outcome po ito. This will become head and tail. Tapos, para malaman mo yung result using the tabular method, combine mo lang yan. This will become head, head, ano pa po? Head, tail, tail, head, mauna ka anak, and tail, tail. Ilan po yan? 4, equal pa rin siya dito. So kahit anong method, gamitin, basta mahalaga, tama yung process na ginagawa. Okay, then your answer is equal pa rin naman.